Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at the Cash App Green Card. In order to do so, here we are at cash.app, and what is the Cash App all about? It's the way money should work. From getting paid to growing what you've got, Cash App makes managing your money effortless and instant without all the fees, and you can click here to get started. It's easier than ever to earn our best benefits yet. Higher borrow limits up to 3.25, savings interest, free overdraft coverage, and free withdrawals from 40K in-network ATMs. Earn, save, and do more with Cash App Green. No hidden or monthly fees ever. Weekly custom cashback offers, real-time transaction alerts, card designs you can fully personalize. It's the debit card that works for you. Access cash when you need it. Explore our flexible ways to bridge the gap between payday and bill pay. Get free overdraft coverage up to $200. Borrow up to $500 with no credit check. Pay overtime at top brands with Afterpay and get your paycheck up to 2 days early. See what's new on the Cash App. Sending money was just the beginning. We're building new ways for you to pay, get rewarded, and easily manage or grow your cash on your terms. And again, if you're interested in the Cash App, go to cash.app and you can sign up here to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. And if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account, and then you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.